You want to move faster on your Mac. You open dozens of apps, switch windows constantly, jump between browser tabs, and waste time on repetitive tasks. Raycast AI tries to fix that by combining a powerful command launcher with integrated AI all inside one interface. So, how does it actually perform? Is it worth using in your daily workflow? Let's break it down. Raycast is a Mac OS launcher like Spotlight, but much more powerful. You open it with a hotkey and instantly run commands. Open apps, search files, control system settings, manage calendar events, run scripts, and more. It's fast, customizable, and deeply integrated into the OS. You hit a key by default, it's Command plus space and Raycast opens. From there, you can search, trigger commands, or type directly into an AI prompt window. The AI supports freeform text, predefined commands, and custom scripts you can build yourself. Its pros include speed and simplicity, however, it is for Mac only. There's no Windows or Linux version. Verdict: Raycast AI isn't just a launcher, it's a productivity platform. It combines speed, simplicity, automation, and the power of AI into one tool that stays out of your way until you need it.